It does. Oh, whatever. Would you die if someone like sprang around the corner and they like flipped out? There you go. You can see that. Ooh. Ew, the steps are so much closer. Oh! Should I do this one? So cute. I would get so pissed. Ew, there's some more. I bet you this is a lost dog or something. That's sad. It looks like a fucking face. It's like, one there, one there. Now for the smile. Yeah, that looks gross. Haven't seen the ground in a while. We look like we're up to no good. That sounds funny.
I think people put poop on that and stuff.
Ew.
Somebody put watch children porn.
They did?
That was hilarious.
Yeah. There you go. That's funny. You know, it's kind of funny how people don't believe we're teleporters. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that was easy. See? Teleporting isn't so hard. I remember that. I can't even fucking see what this looks like. We're in a forest with that shit.
You guys could just witness me killing her.
Oh my god, that and I had it on camera. That would be hilarious.
Oh, bravo!
Right?
Ew, what the fuck?
Ew.
Take a shit?
Justin dropping his damn cookies again. How gross that was it? I wonder what the park's gonna look like.
I'm sitting in a toy down my house. It was pretty cool.
I know that, and then the house by our house. That was awesome.
Please, you never even wanted to walk past.
I know, but I still don't want it to be gone. I mean, it was kind of creepy, and I don't know. I remember it's like 2 summers ago. I put that bush rag in the tree stump thing, and it was like bloody. And we came back one time and it was there. That was creepy. That's where the old house used to be. Ooh.
I like it.
Oh, look at the little kitty footprints. Oh. Oh. You can't even go in there. Aren't they generous? Let's go in there anyways. What? Oh, look at this.
Clarence peed on the corner.
Oh, I remember I peed in the water fountain. That was so fucking gross.
People still drink from that?
I know. I never drank from that in the first place. Only when I had to wash something off or something. That's it. Let's try to go in anyways. Wanna try? Okay. Wait, which one's Jessica's? Oh, that getter shit. See that yellow one? Right there. Let's get a bitch's house. Well, this is our attempt to try to... What?
So perfect.
Oh, look at the lonely pencil. It disappeared. Okay, anyways, this is our attempt to get into the park. Attempt 1. At least someone was courtesy enough to put their footmarks in here. Nerdy. I know. Whoa. Whoa. I don't want to fall. Shut up. Oh, fuck. Fucking annoying. Can't. Ugh. Jesus. Mofo. I just want to say how difficult this is. Wouldn't you die if someone was watching us and laughing at us? Yeah. That would be funny. Okay. Solid. I was. I know. At my house, there's like the snow is completely. I'm at the fall. I'm at the fall. Fuck you. Oh god. It wouldn't be funny at all. I would get so pissed and go home. Oh, Jesus. Christ.
There's a big ass pile of ice in my shoe.
Mine too. Let me just say, this is like 12 inches of snow right here. No joke. Like, if you can see how deep that is, it's very deep. And we're having a big hard time getting through here. Fuck. Fuck you. Shut up. Come on. Hold this. Shut up. Okay. Ooh, I'm starting to get frostbite on my effing foot and my damn ankle. Yours are getting hypothermia. Ah! My other effing shoe. Fuck. Damn it. Asshole eater. Shit. We made it. Barely. My hands are cold as hell. How the hell are we gonna get out of here? Fucking freezing. Should have put on like 10 minutes.